So we got today, this is a 2011 Ford F-150. This is the Harley Davidson edition. There you go. Let's test drive this one. Oh, leather interior, sunroof, 4x4, overdrive. Oh yeah. Wow, that be struck. Panoramic steering wheel. Yeah. Good. Safety first. Let me buckle up the seatbelt. Oh, nice. This is the 2011. This is the VIN number for this one, and this is the production number. Good. Let's turn on the lights. Okay, navigation. This is like a 4x4 sync. You got the heated seats for the driver and the passenger side, and the coolant system too. Nice. Okay, okay. Let's check it out. The stereo. Okay. Not bad. Like the old-fashioned system. I think this one is a Stein #1, I think. Okay, not bad. So let's drive it. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. I like the dash. It's like a different edition. Of course, it's a Harley Davidson version, and you gotta see the garage mode, trip A, trip B, full economy, truck apps, settings. Wow. I wanna feel the power. This is a 6.2 liters V8 engine. It's not like the regular 2.7 or 3.5 EcoBoost or the 5.0. No, there's a 6.2. I think this version comes with this one and the Raptor as well. So I'm gonna push it a bit. This one we listed for $13.99. I was checking the websites, the market value for this one is around 15-16. So we are like below the average, and I think it's a good deal because of the miles, condition. You can see the interior is so clean, and it's not like a regular F-150. Because you can see in the market, like, you're gonna see a bunch of them, but this specifically in this version, this trim, it's nice. Yep, no problem at all with the water. Yeah. There you go.